Hi, welcome to the Online Jewelry Academy. I'm Professor John R. and I'm your instructor. In this video, I want to introduce you to tube setting. Now, this is something that is a great way for beginners, intermediates, and even advanced students to add faceted gemstones to their jewelry designs. And you can do this without having to learn how to set with a prong setting. That's because the tube setting is very much like a bezel setting. So let me show you right here. On the table in front of me, what I've got are obviously a gemstone and a couple of tube settings. And if we look at these tube settings, what you can see is that on the top side, there's actually a step where there's a seat for the stone. On the opposite side, the tube is just flat. That's the part that gets attached to your work. And you can see they come in different sizes. And what's great is because the jewelry industry is geared for mass production, you can just buy the type of tube setting that fits your work, and then you just order a stone that's precision cut that will fit right into the tube. Now, right here what I have is a small ring where I've attached a tube setting to just a simple disc cut piece of silver, and the ring is just a simple wire ring. And we have plenty of videos on the Online Jewelry Academy that show you how to make a ring like this. You'll be able to look on our website and find videos on soldering, measuring for rings, all kinds of things. The one secret that I would want to remind you about that will make your application of a tube setting to a piece of jewelry easier is if you invest in a little bit of paste solder. This is solder that comes in a syringe that's already mixed with flux. And if you just inject that into the center of the tube setting, as you heat it, the solder will just come out and it will look clean without any need to do any unnecessary cleanup. Now, like I said, tube settings seem to mirror a bezel setting. And bezel setting is usually performed with either burnishers or bezel rockers. We have videos on that as well. But because the nature of these items is so small, it's probably a good idea to invest in this type of a tool. This is a tube setting kit. It comes with a variety of pieces that can be applied to a handle. They all have a concave inside surface that's polished. And what this allows you to do is to cover the entire tube setting in one go and just push and wiggle a little bit, and you've set the stone like that. Now, if you look over here, what I've got is in my Engravers Block, I've already positioned a ring that has a tube setting inserted into it, and the stone is already in place. It's already seated. The way that I positioned the stone was I used a wax stick, touched the top of the gemstone and put it into the tube setting and pushed it down with the handle of a tool. Next, I used the Selvet Cloth to remove any extra microcrystalline wax that might have been left on the surface of the stone, because you want to work really clean when you set a stone in a tube setting. Now all I need to do is just take the tool, position it over the tube setting, and I'll just hold the engraving block still, and then I just push and wiggle around just like that. And what this does is this burnishes the top surface as it sets the stone. And essentially you're done. I hope this is useful to you in your jewelry creations and your stone setting. You can check out the Online Jewelry Academy for more information. Remember, we post regularly to Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And if you like this video, be sure and like it. And don't forget to subscribe by hitting the button in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. If you'd like to support the creation of future Online Jewelry Academy videos, you can do so by making a contribution through patreon.com. Thanks for watching.